already know what day it is. It's day 5.
Arts Workfly. Okay, so today I'm using Indian ink to draw. People, believe me when I say today is the first day I've reopened this ink since college. Thank God for this channel. This drawing basically is to see whether or not I remember anything from drawing class in college using the Indian ink. So we will see how it turns out. Wakanda forever. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.